Okay, so now we're going to move on to an example. It's like a mini lesson we do in class. You might recognise this text from a while ago. It's a really good one with some great high modal words. Water is the most valuable resource on Earth and it must be preserved. Did you spot must be? High modal word. Worldwide water shortages will be a serious problem in the future unless we do something to reduce the amount of water we use now. Will be. Again, this will happen. It may not really happen, but the author wants us to think that. Water is an essential part of our daily lives. We use it to drink, cook, bathe, wash things like our clothes and dishes, water our plants and lawn, and grow crops. We also use it for leisure activities, like swimming, boating, water skiing and fishing. We simply cannot do without it. You can't argue with it. We can't do without it. It's a certainty. High modal. Only a small amount of all the water on Earth is usable fresh water. Most of the water available is salty or undrinkable. We have to make sure that the amount of water we can use is used wisely and not wasted. You can see that I've got a list of the high modal words on the side of the page. Important because that's what you're going to be asked to do. Now, this is the example you're going to have and you are going to do in your reader's notebook, exactly like I did with the last one. If you want to listen as I read it out loud, feel free. Otherwise, go ahead, read the text yourself, make a list of the high modal words on the side. Make sure to record it in your reader's notebook. School lunchtime should be longer. Lunchtime at school is simply too short. Do children deserve a proper break from their school work to eat, play and exercise? For the benefit of all children, school lunchtimes should be longer. First of all, children have too little time to play during lunchtime. By the time everyone has washed their hands, sat down, eaten their lunch and had a drink, there's no time left to play. Children look forward to lunchtime and it is extremely unfair that there is not enough time to play and enjoy their break. Also, children have to share the play equipment. This means waiting your turn. Because lunchtime is so short, some children do not get a turn on the equipment. How do you think this makes them feel? Now, that's not high modal, but it is a rhetorical question. I wonder if Miss McLeod's talked about those. Thirdly, children need more time outdoors to re-energise the afternoon ahead. Fresh air and exercise is so important to the mental and physical health of children. If lunchtime was longer, concentration levels would improve. In conclusion, school lunchtime needs to be extended. Children need more time to eat, play and exercise.